Really?
Can you still see everything? Hey guys, so this is going to be a very interesting unboxing. We've been waiting for this box for a year. I'm told to be very nice, so I'm going to try my best. That's my happy face. But this is a box from ERP Elite Replica Productions. There we go. Jesus, criminy. And this was something that we've been looking for a long time. This guy specializes in these. The stuff that he does is amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous. I do recommend to check it out. For anybody that's followed me for an extremely long period of time, you guys know I'm obsessed with certain things, and this is something that I'm massively obsessed with. And I'm actually gonna get my other one to show you what I'm talking about. He's my baby, and he's been seen in a lot of different things, and he, I like your face, you're like, and he wears a lot of clothing. So this is my critter, and he's amazing, and right now he's in a Louise hat, but best reaction ever. So when we found this will be really cool. So in here is supposed to be 6 mini critters. I don't know what they look like actually yet. I don't know how big they are going to be compared to him, but we're going to check this out. So you ready? Do you want to hold him?
Sure.
Alright, let's see if I can cut you with myself. I should have probably done this before.
Away from your body. Away.
From whose body?
Mine too.
Alright. I don't know how they're packaged either, so this will be interesting.
Watch out for his head. He's gonna get in the head. What the? What the? What?
This is like asking me to cut myself between all the cardboard and bubble wrap.
I'm just worried you
It's
are
like
gonna
you don't
cut
trust
yourself.
me.
Oh, really?
Alright.
Not with a knife.
I don't want to drop them.
Oh, I see the fur!
Your fur. I'm seriously gonna end up cutting myself with this box. This needs to move. I can feel like my arms scraping on it.
Look, your family! Your babies have arrived!
You ready?
Alrighty.
Oh my god, they're so fucking cute.
That's awesome!
Oh my goodness.
Look! It's a baby just for you!
Here, do you want to hold that one?
Sure. Oh my god, he's heavy.
Yeah.
I'm not expecting to be that heavy. I
Oh
love
my
his smile.
gosh. Look at
They're so cute.
those are
These
so
little
freaking cute. Oh, they're
cheeky
hard to
guys.
see. Look at
They're really heavy.
They are pretty heavy.
Way heavier than I thought. Oh, the babies are multiplying. Oh my gosh. Aww.
Oh my gosh, I swear to goodness. There we go.
They look like little dinosaurs.
Like little
They do, little T-Rexes.
Alright. Oh yeah, give me something even sharper. That does not sound like a good idea.
A lot of packaging.
I've waited a year, Rose. They better be packaged well.
Oh,
He's
it looks like he's like a disco critter.
Oh my goodness.
Yay!
So this one's got like more blonde in it.
Oh my god, they're so cute. Little babies.
how fluffy he is.
It's so fluffy!
Oh my gosh, all this red thing.
Uh-oh, he's the odd one out.
Away from me, but towards her.
No. Rip it!
Toss him like a fly.
Aww!
Look at it, he's got like this little elbow.
He's so cute! It's like a regular old ball sack.
If this is what your ball sack looks like, please go to a doctor.
Hey. Oh my god, so cute. Wow. That's good. Look at that. The egg.
Yeah, so it's a little critter egg.
That's awesome. You have one that's gonna be born. It's the baby. It's the little baby.
There's the
that's
hatched critter egg.
awesome. That's so cool. Oh, those aren't as heavy as I thought they'd be. Jeez.
And then another egg. And that's it, right? Look at you, like this is
That's a lot of stuff.
so then there's
Ta-da!
Ew! Gross!
What? Ah, that's like real hair.
That's disgusting. I'm not fluffing this one up.
That's nasty.
Look at how cute.
Oh my god! It's a whole family.
I'm not touching that. This is my little giggle
Oh my
critter.
god, he's so cute though. Look at that. Little monkey. He's so cute. Oh god. No. Shit. Oh, Jesus.
So yeah, I will take some pictures and stuff and post them, but this is my little giggle of critters.
This little
And
guy's super happy.
also in the comments below, what should I dress them up as first? Because I'm making them costumes. It's gonna happen. I can't help it. It's not my
That'd be
fault.
awesome.
Yeah, so I will have the description of his page. I believe he's on Facebook. I'm not too sure if he's on Instagram or YouTube, but
This
I
one's
will look.
really cool too.
And then I will add all of his information below so you can check him out as well. But thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!